na me say kwa free for and that me sori free ade we achi na me say be join politics divine some ma ye be ka ni nyina afra ye be ka gu abodam sam ne be ba ne de na abo to atwe wokɔ ne ye champion fo ne te ho cha wokɔ a wodo nan wo bututebu no sa ne ye no empanifo no aba no abati we to no aka we eno sa keka wo mo a bo se Okatakyie bra adai di asɛm a but na di what near the chin yesu so sa ne be no.
When a fool is talking, listen very carefully, because listening to a fool is important. Because knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do.
Why fix the country? Do you think say country need fix?
You can't fix the country. And you never started. Nana do don't go for my public speech. No say. Instead of Professor Mills giving us a lean government, he has ended up giving us a lean kinky. I say to President Mills today, if you say the economy is broke, fix it. If we are telling him, say you are about to go from he should fix it. Our your wedding class symbol. Okay. So when we are the class symbol of knowledge, strength, adaptability, energy, freedom, unity, hope, peacemaking, harmony, intelligence, power of love, strength. Said in class symbols when you know obiabra bobia ebia or boy na ne sign and no paper no na ye de aka in class symbols no. Okay. Now Ghana for tenasia hunu say said ye na na do dan kwakufu ado ebu ne man ye ne je ho. Enti this is the Edinka symbol for failure. What? It's a free nadico. Said in class symbol who spares me no ya.
The president is now a free nadico who spares me no ya. A cadin class symbol photo is an Edin class symbol for failure.
You are a failure. You are a failure.
And I beg you can never Yana nanuma motina see here in class symbols. He say mummy and for win count. This photo in class symbol for failure.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Now back to the studio.
I'll tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. Oh my
Now, very unfortunate, sir. Yeah, to Abama Kufuado say, Brabebu mine, she said, the Amemotie, uplift the standards,
exactly.
Raise the bar.
Exactly.
No, by Wabubano.
I have some small video for you. Let's watch this video, and I have some comments to comment this video. Let's watch it with this some short video.
Oyekun saman for nsa je to me amuwe pueye atoye atifini anafo nsa je kwame nkroma nsa o je mensa sa ba nsa o je daranu mun samanfo amo ana mo konje wo my Ghana mudi mutumi ni kwobna boni the third nsa Sergeant Ajete cooperative private or that lam tensa o daranu madaroma ye ba ye nya bone eye bone kura no amusi ayekuro na so we de ye ba ye de ni bre so na ba ye je na 2017 ye de wo man hye Kufuado ene eye ne nkofo na pamfo nsa so wo mmra mebu man je de enti ye to abama Kufuado se wo beba ba ye nioma e be manfo no ho ato no je na madaro ma Kufuado ba ye nioma a wo ye nyina ne ye dwene ho ye ntiase ye je na madaro ma mmra metie ye Kufuado ba ye wo ba ye mamu ofu a wo buo nti enam so wopeso odi amanmu no so odi asu bio no wo kọ election wo kum nipa 9 ansa na otimi akọ na amadawo mamanimu a je dana Kufuado ba ye wo bia ntimi nka na sem kom ha dana no mo nyina yedi asofo nyina yedi media fo nyina akromfo ntom so yedi na amadawo mamamati asem wo je nana yaka bia Kufuado so ntie ene ye parliamentary hazard mu a Kufuado bosia wo bo COVID-19 bosia wo bo ofori atabo bosia no wacha bosia na mo ne namfofo obi antimi nkasa na madaruma say ye mope say Kufuado no ofori atabo ye o man ni say dia ena na ma monya hwe atemu odie na say nye mope ana ofori ata wo gina wo no wo ye o man ni say wo repia magana ni ye ni kamafo e say wo kokan media fo no be sori atia wo kokan enipa no a wo ko am o mo no ankasa be sori atia na madaruma se wo fori ata sheda na wo di boni we ya said your Mwankasa Muchitro, a giant, Pia, and a quack. Akwaje wo man Ghana free kwasi broni kokko nsem no na na amada wo man kasa monye eye o man info foriata nsem atemu mrani o na na no me dia kufa do ye o man wo se wo man no obi antimi nka no obi asuro je media megimudi meji na na no mudi meji nkonwa mteso odi na na no so foriata ne akufa do se wo mo o man ne ho nto no na kro no mbebo o man no sabio covid-19 aba yare bremu na se nkrofo ho kirom no foriata timi koje bosia no one ne nkrofo na pamfo be chedi sei a na na amada wo mama ankasa moni nini je
Hey! My God. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Anna me say kwa free for me eda me sori free ade we yachi na me say be join politics divine se mo amaye ye be ka ni nyina afra ye be ka gu abodam sam ne be ba ne de na abo ato atwe se ukoni ebe boye me ka me say ukoni ya champion fo ne te ho cha ukwa wo do nan wo butu tebu no sa ne ye no empanifo no aba no abeti we to no aka we eno sa keka wo mo a bo se Okatakyie bra adai di asemwa but na di what near the chin yesu so sa ne be no
no mo who say come de
hey na come de wa ye di we banas go come de no ayi di say na what you worry omo
hey you don't do that.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
What is this? What is this?
All the voice Kobusa Oboshi Sai Kofi Kobusa Kwesi Adjuma of GTA all the voice adverts our moye Kobusa Perioku Jeto I was the voice behind 2016 advert moye nyina and I wasn't paid a penny Ogoka womozi Akufo Dubai na wo pe bibi niema wo na abuafu I have dared the MPP the rank and file from the beginning to the last person say Akufo Dubai from 2016 besi na me kwa Afrifa do se me declare aba ne office say me pe position A position B omo for me to abonte because I haven't done anything like that. I don't need a position in any government. And me Majumane say I will be a watchdog performing the oversight responsibility of the government. How then do I get a position? Said yeah, you are not quite Mr. Faka ne Paula do much more. I could board chairman, ne board chair, ne one could see every year more Jefferson Seki. Majumane say better my so. Na said you don't say question and more buying the feed or how can you buy the hand that feeds you?
Talk.
We know what an implication is. We are not all idiots. We know what you're saying.
In 2015, the current vice president of the Republic, our poster boy, make a poster boy, wonka who, wonka se, wabo papa, a member who nim se bukuna, no wonder so called Zimbabwe, wamopamo no. The current vice president, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, wonima member want to chase a book na say no ready chire na no kra na me casto yi secret bi a chire mo. Munim say de no be ready chire nya nyon wana na chiro. Hey, tie. Me say de na Dr. Bawumia be ready chire yes or ye lectures or ye this. I tell you on authority say nya Dr. Bawumia na chiro da. Enipa no chiro sa eye Dr. Bawumia e speech ya obe ready my me kwa Afrifa-Mensah nipa ne pa na me kodi nkomo me se nya Dr. Bawumia but yenko eye Joy FM 2015 Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na wose John Dramani Mahama akọ IMF won tibida enti wo mo ke no abale famiko
when you are hiring them and they tell you they can swim and then you put them in the water and they cannot swim, you better criticize them. You will have to criticize them because they said they would swim, but they are drowning all of us in debt and taxes, and that is they said they could swim, but we found out to our detriment that they can't.
I really see. Well, when you are employing them and they say they can swim, and when you find out they cannot swim, you better criticize them because they are drowning us in debt. They are drowning us in debt. At that time, not your mama, Bobusia almost be 80 billion Ghana cedi. Near CNTB da.
yesi ehunu bi da yesi jomama bon jomama ye incompetent ka wono ko asile usu se ka wono ko anka jomama nko ka nantwe su wo sirem jomama nima mamuo eno ye twa na da pa kagetiafo ye twa na da pa central market fo ye twa na da pa kotokura ba fo twa joma na Bawumia te Joy FM kan brofo kire say when the and then you baba be din komo.
When a fool is talking, listen very carefully. Because listening to a fool is important. Because knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do.
Many months later.
Now, the question that Nkofo passed a comment, it kept ringing a bell in my ears is that if not Bawumia, why Mahama? And this question, I don't care. You can be angry by just me asking you this question, but I want you to ponder over the question very well. Say, if not Bawumia, why must it be Mahama? This country, just like every other nation, democracy has a way of always making sure say two parties anymore. And politics in this country has become a culture and a way of life of the people. It's no more about ideologies.
A bullshit. A bullshit, a bullshit, a bullshit.
And I'm say Afrifa, and I'm free idea with you. Now, see about joining politics. Divine. Someone my you in Afra, you about them some never near the about.
And let me be very clear. We don't believe you. And we hate you right back. Go away. We've heard you already. We don't want to. Go away.
No, people must pay the price. They must pay for what they've done. They will pay for that.
We will not let you get away with this. Right here, right now, is where we draw the line. The world is waking up. And change is coming whether you like it or not. Thank you.
Enti, for me sheda na me compile sa video si me pese me debre mo na mo hunu sa abrantie Okatakyie Afrifa no sania ni suban esitie hwe nsem a waka afa Akufo-Addo ho na hwe nsem so a waka afa Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ho ene sa abrantie esan eye campaign se yenkoto aba emfama Bawumia abrantie hwe nsem a waka ose still yenkoto aba emfama Bawumia enam sunti osofo bia o hyenkom editia Dr. Bawumia no wati sa asofo ni e fake wati sa asofo no MPP ba ye omu anhwe no enti na ema no share sa nkom no na die enti a ono so some time ago na all fight NPP no was it because of say MPP for anhwe no ana enti na all fight MPP na ana enti nei na say all can be ma MPP no is it because of say MPP for adane omani omu ehwe no enti na all can be edimo omu na ana. Have you seen the way this guy is? He is a big hypocrite. He is a liar. Na omai Ghana ye yo minim se ewe radensem na ewo menewo we are mambapa yensem ena ewo. Enti me I don't support one political party. Party bia obemane no menso memane enti no me votuma MPP me votuma NDC depending on the way omubesi a project omo manifesto any the way a government no ebesi arane but sa branche we dia obia oyesofo a obe kasa se afi yentuntia abanya owoso yentuntia MPP government no it is because of say sa sofo no MPP ba power no omo anhwe no so onyi ni se osofo bi betimi adwene independently onyi ni se osofo bi ebetimi atinyame ne se afi de yemfa change the course of direction onyi ni se osofo bi betimi ehunu the way a enema esi echo the way of governance onyi ni se osofo bi betimi ehunu sa aka sa ne say no mesisa madwene according to him no se wo votuma NPP a koso votuma MPP se wo sesa wadwene wo ye sofo na wo sesa wadwene wo ye odifo na wo sesa wadwene se nyame efa o so hyenkom na anko ama MPP a ono no de na adwene eye ne say it is because of say MPP ba power no MPP anhwewo enti ana amawo asesa wadwene but ono no there was some time na all kese Akufo-Addo ogunsa odidi Bawumia atem any ade nyina at that time no was it because of say na MPP for enhwe no ntina na oni omu ekontokwa na this guy is a hypocrite. He is a liar. Me pese mu nyina mu hu the way a ositie na afede o kan sema take it with a pinch of salt said here obroni beka no o kan sema tieni tutu don't just swallow whatever he tells you tieni tutu na obia odi politics echi ewo Ghana no dodo na no it is because of their selfish interest. Some who video now or say me join it party it is because of say the na mejentia omuche na omu amami a menu mobeko mini say sabre na no ni MPP for ekono na omucha na omu emano na omu edidija no say na MPP for edidija no or say Ghana for enkoto aba Emma Dr. Mamadou Bawumia etino sadema we na me pese me de bremo na mu hunu the way abranche we ositie. Never believe him. He is not doing what he's doing because he loves Ghana necessarily. I can't prove say he hates Ghana. I'm not saying he hates Ghana, but he's not doing what he's doing because he loves Ghana selflessly because of what he will get. The obedient free MPP Munti and I say Yensan Kotwaba ma MPP. Yensan Kotwaba Emma Dr. Bawumia. Just take what you want to take from this video and please share it to others. I am also on YouTube. I have a lot of information over YouTube. Iti mesra mo se mo be follow me over YouTube nso. Na me sanso Facebook, Instagram, ene adi nyina, so you can follow me in all these channels na so that you'll be able to learn something new. Thank you very much.